Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, do you see this excitement on my face? It's another unboxing of my brown sugar box. I'm always excited to do these. I have not pulled the contents apart yet, but I do know what is actually in the box this time, as in I actually looked at the booklet and I'm excited. So stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's go through it. I'm too excited. Right, so this is the box. I think me and Honey Child here got the same outfit on, something similar. This looks like jeans. I got some, yeah, whatever. So this is the box for the month of June, and I love it. I love every single item that's in there already, and I haven't even opened them out of the packages. So nice. Anyway, let's get into it. So as usual, this is the book. The theme for this month is the Cookout Season Edition. So this is definitely a summer one. As you can see, this really bright yellow. Homegirl in her shades and her little pineapple. Yes, this is a very cool color. I love the color of the book, and the book is really entertaining. It actually gives you a lot of ideas in terms of cookout stuff, This one actually gives you, like, for example, as usual, let me start here. It gives you the contents of the box. One of the is 5 summer events you need to attend. One of them is Woodstock, and you have the Essence Fest, which I think went just last week. I think it was last weekend, if my memory serves me correct. 5 products to flaunt that summertime melanin glow. So it gives you ideas as to what you can use to make your skin more glowy. Us chocolate women, we love that little glow. We love that little pregnancy glow without the pregnancy. That kind of glow. Yes, it gives you ideas as to the products for that. Major key alerts, summer 2019 fashion trends. And we all know this is definitely a trend, something that I do like, especially like the big pants. Listen, this book has everything. This book has all the little ideas you can have. You can use it in a barbecue without those staple activities. So this also gives you ideas as to what to do at a barbecue. Okay, yeah. The book Turn Up. It is definitely a handbook for the summer, for the cookout summer. So yeah. Let me go in first with one of my favorite things to get in the box is the shirt. So this is, look at this yellow. Isn't it just cute? It's just nice and summery and cool. Let me stand for. So this is what the shirt says this time. It says spades, dominoes, double dutch. So it tells you what exactly it is that you normally, what normally takes place at barbecues, playing the dominoes, playing the spades. Yeah. So this is basically what this one is, and I like it. I love it a lot. Like, I usually love the shirts. I'm not even gonna go into all of that. I'm not gonna be gawking too much this time. I'm gonna try not to. But yeah, that's the shirt. So another one of the items that I got this time around is a seasoning mix. I got 3 of them. So this gives you an idea as to what you could do with chicken, salmon, beef. Yeah, salmon, beef, and looks like shrimp that's here. So it is from the brand called Big Toe. It smells nice. Here are the seasonings in the back. I got 3 of them to try. 3 of them. Listen, it's lemon pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and the Creole seasoning. Should be interesting. And I got a little code. If it is that I want to buy the full bottle, I can actually get some dollars off. I got a little discount code. That's kind of cool. It smells nice. It smells really good. I'm excited to try it. I'm gonna give it to my boyfriend. He likes to try new things, so this is definitely something he's gonna be really wanting to try, especially with chicken. Definitely. So another item we got was a pack of cards. Who gives you cards in a box? It says play your cards right, and it has the usual logo at the bottom, easy and live. Listen, I love playing cards. I really do. I used to play it a lot with my brother back in the day. Love this. I'm excited for this, definitely. Here we go. Oh, this is so cool. The Joker and the king. Oh, come on. This is, look at look at the king. Oh, this is the ace? No, this is the king. Oh my god, guys, this is so cute. I told you I didn't open it before. So this is what the Joker looks like. Let's see if there's any other pictures. This is the Jack. Oh gee, this is so cool. And this is the Queen. I didn't expect that one at all. I didn't expect that. This is very cool. I love this. I really do love this. This is another Joker. I like this so much. Good job, Izzy. This is so cool. I did not expect that on the card. I thought it was just going to be regular cards, but I should have known better. They always come out and step out in style with their stuff, so I should have definitely known better. Alright, so the next item we got is a fan. Definitely need the fan in this heat. Oh yes, child. I love it. Love it. Look at this, guys. Yes, fan in style with my Afro goodie. I like this. This is so cool. I like this a lot. Ooh. And I am feeling a little warm too. This is nice. This is really nice. Love it. Love this. Love this. Alright, so we also got some paper plates. I think, hold on. Yeah, we got some paper plates as well. Where's the aluminum foil? I think it's about 3 plates. No, I don't think it's 3. Hold on. It's a pack of 8 plates. And you have, I like my to-go plates hefty. And who made the potato salad? So this is what the plates look like. So we got 2 of each. 2, 4, 6. It says 8. Maybe there's another? No? 1 of 3. Oh no, it's 8 of the one. So it's 8 of this one that I got. Where's the aluminum foil? My bad. But those are the different options that you would have gotten in the box. I like this. I like this a lot. So the next item I got is this bag. This is a wine bag. It's actually can keep it. It's what's this material called? I don't remember. I'll leave it on the screen or I'll leave it down below. I know the name. It's at the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember. So it has that kind of material that will keep the wine cool for a while until I guess you get to the location to take it out. But this is the bag. It says, birthdays were the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we're thirsty. This is so cool. Who gives you a wine? Listen, this box is the boss and I love it. Love this box. Yeah, so this is the wine bag, guys. Very cool, very nice, and very nice addition to the, to the bag and to the box and such. And last but certainly not least, I got another bag, guys, and I think you're gonna love it just as much as I do. This is the bag. Isn't this gorgeous? The colors, the beauty on the back. Listen, this is the strap. There's no pockets or anything. It's just a nice soft bag. This is the inside. It's deep, so it has space, so you can put your accoutrements. Oh god, I love this. I love this. I love bags. I have many bags. I love them. I love bags, and this is just absolutely beautiful. I love this. I love this a whole lot. Yeah, this box is bomb. This month's box is bomb. I'm not gonna say bomber than the rest, but it's shot. It literally shot. Thank you so much, Izzy and Liv. You guys are really knocking it out of the ballpark with these boxes. Like, I'm enjoying it. I'm having a whole lot of fun with them. Love it. Thank you so much. Thank you, and thank you guys for watching. I do hope you are enjoying these videos about the Izzy and Liv, because trust me, they are really good. And if you do want to try, if you're interested in trying this box, I will leave the information down below. I leave the website, I leave all the information there in terms of the cost and everything for this subscription box. Trust, you would not regret it. Believe me. As you can see, every month is a smile on my face. Every month. I'm happy and pleased. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this box as well. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. If it is that you have tried it, if you are trying it now, let me know what you think. Which one was your favorite? What's your favorite item from your box? Love it. I can't tell you I have a fave. I love everything. Bye guys, I'll see you on the next video.